Ever wondered what goes into the appendix of a PhD thesis? Well, it's a bit like the secret storage room of a grand library. It's where you find supplementary materials that, while not essential to the main body of the thesis, help readers understand your research in greater detail. This could include raw data presented in tables, graphs, or charts that inform your study. If your research involved computer programs, the appendix is where you'd include the code. It's also the place for questionnaires or interview transcripts used for data collection. For those involved in complex mathematics, the appendix can house detailed derivations or proofs. And if there are figures or tables too large or detailed for the main body, they find a home in the appendix too. The appendix might not be the star of your thesis, but it certainly plays a crucial supporting role. So, what exactly can you put into this treasure trove called the appendix? Let's delve into some general guidelines and examples. Firstly, only include material relevant to your research. It's not a place for unrelated interesting facts or tangential information. Keep it focused and pertinent. Next, consider the organization. It should be logical and intuitive, making it easy for readers to navigate and find the information they need. Think of it as a well-organized library where each piece of information has its rightful place. Also, pay attention to labeling. All figures and tables should wear clear captions like name tags at a conference explaining exactly what they represent. It's all about clarity and ease of understanding, and don't forget to cite your sources. Any material that's not your own work needs to be acknowledged appropriately. It's not just about avoiding plagiarism, it's about giving credit where credit is due. Now let's look at some typical inhabitants of the appendix. These might include raw data like tables, graphs, or charts. Computer programs or code used in the research often find a home here. Questionnaires or interview transcripts provide valuable supplementary information. Detailed derivations or proofs can be housed here, as can additional figures or tables that are too large or detailed for the main body of the thesis. Remember, the appendix is your chance to provide additional comprehensive information without cluttering the main body of your thesis. Now that we've taken a deep dive into the appendix, you might be asking, how do I decide what goes in there? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all. The content of your appendix will change depending on your research. It's like a backstage crew tailored to your play, and remember, your supervisor is an essential part of this crew. They can guide you in deciding what material should make the cut. So there you have it, the appendix, a humble but vital part of your PhD thesis. It's your backstage crew ensuring your research shines in the spotlight. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then don't forget to share it with your fellow researchers. Just hit that share button and spread the knowledge. And if you want to stay updated with more such insights into the world of academic research, then click on the subscribe button. Stay tuned because we have a lot more in store for you. Remember, knowledge shared is knowledge gained. Until next time, happy researching. Still here? Great, you must have enjoyed the video. Now let's take it a step further. Imagine you're right here with us in front of your screen. Do you see that share button? Go ahead, click on it. You'll see a list of platforms where you can share this video. Select one or many and let your fellow researchers in on this treasure trove of knowledge. Now, do you see that subscribe button glowing bright red? Click on it. Congratulations. You're now part of our community, and you'll be the first to know when we drop more insights into the world of academic research. But wait, there's more. Here's a sneak peek of what's coming up next. Remember, knowledge shared is knowledge gained. So stay tuned for more and keep the spirit of research alive. Happy researching.